For this video, we're going to be looking at multiplying decimals. So our problem today is 6.3 times 19.48. So when I'm trying to set up a multiplication problem with multiple digits, I like to put the number with the most amount of digits on the top because it makes more sense to me using the standard method. So I'm going to rewrite this as 19.48 and 6.3 underneath. So when I'm multiplying decimals, this is where it's a little different from adding and subtracting decimals, and I don't need to line up the decimals. In fact, I'm going to forget about the decimals for a while. I'm just going to multiply these like I'm multiplying 1,948 times 63. I'm just going to ignore the decimals for right now. So 3 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1, 28. Carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now I'm going to put my 0 as a placeholder. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 4 is 24. 25, 26, 27, 28. 6 times 9 is 54. 55, 56. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11. Now I'm going to add. Okay. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2, and bring down that 1. Great. So now is where I want to count the decimals. So I'm going to go back to my numbers that I was multiplying together here. And whenever a decimal is at the very, very right of a number, that means it's a whole number. So we want to count the number of spaces between the far right of a number and where the decimal is. So 1, 2. There's 2 spaces there. And we want to do the same thing with this number. There's 1. So there's 1 space here and 2 spaces here, which means together there's 3 spaces. So in my product, I'm going to start with my decimal at the very end and count 1, 2, 3, and place my decimal. So 6.3 times 19.48 is equal to 122.724. That's my answer.